Are you ready to start with your Cashup? Simply navigate to the Unity Point of Sale login screen. Log into the Point of Sale Springboard menu by using your unique access code or by scanning your fingerprint. Next, select the Cashup's feature. If transactions have occurred during your shift, you will see options available for either a till Cashup, employee Cashup, and store Cashup. This will display according to the setup of Cashups that your store utilize. Let's have a look at the three types of Cashups on Unity. Till Cashup and employee Cashup are specific to those entities. Store Cashup will finalize and clear all current Cashups, including till and employee Cashups. To begin, click the pencil icon on the right-hand side to edit the Cashup. Unity will show the expected balancing amount based on the transactions processed. Open the cash drawer and count the physical cash, including coins and notes. Enter these totals into the denomination section to ensure they match the physical count. For card payments and other payment tender types, cross-check the totals from the terminal's card machine with the amounts shown in the point of sale. Under the cash management section, you'll see details for floats, pay-ins, payouts, account payments, and cash drops during the shift. Use the three-dot menu next to each figure to view what's been processed. Confirm that these values align with your records. Should you wish to print any of the selected features in detail on your Cashup slip, then simply toggle the Print Summary on Cashup button. The system will display discrepancies between the expected and actual totals as a short or over. Should you encounter any variances, there are some investigations that you can do. 1. Investigate potential causes like cash shortages, cash surplus, incomplete credit card machine banking slips, or unrecorded transactions. 2. Ensure all payments and adjustments have been accurately recorded. Once all amounts are verified and any discrepancies are resolved, press the Cashup button to finalize. This will clear the current figures and complete the Cashup process. The system will print a Cashup summary report for your records. If discrepancies persist and you cannot resolve variances, make a note and escalate the issue to a manager or supervisor. Should you need any further assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to our call center for assistance.